Hi, and welcome to Objects in Motion Learning Center. As you know, we are learning about motion in materials, focusing on the changes and properties that occur in objects and materials. This learning center has two parts I want you to think about. First, we will discuss number one. What do you know about the way objects move? What about the changes in the direction they move? Spend a minute and write your answers here in the Write a Comment box. Then proceed to number two. What questions do you have about objects in motion? Take a minute and answer that question as well in the comment box. After completing both questions, click on the blue Post button to post your answer. Wait for your answer to appear and then click on the Next button to go to the next part of the Learning Center. In this part of the Learning Center, you will be learning about observing objects in motion. You're first given a variety of objects such as a ball, a top, a marble, a penny or a dime, and a frog hopper. I first want you to begin by observing the ball. Look at how the ball moves. How does it feel? How does it look? What are some ways to change the direction in which the ball moves? Indicate your answer within your science journals. Once you have completed step number one, move to step number two, in which you do the same thing from step number one, but you are choosing a different object. Once you have chosen your object, observe the object and how it moves. After observing your object, move to step number three, where you're to draw your object in your science journal, creating an image of it. Within this image, indicate with arrows or symbols the direction in which your object moves. Take a few minutes and draw your image. After completing your image, think about some objects that show a change in motion not mentioned within this center. After completing all 4 steps, post a photo of your science journal page with the drawing of your object from number 3, your observation about the ball in question 1, and your idea for an object that shows a change in motion for number 4. You can post your picture in the Write a Comment box by clicking here and attaching a file. Click the File button and click on whichever file you need to attach. After attaching your file, click the blue Post button and wait for your attachment to appear. Once you see your attachment, you are done with this lesson and you will be able to move on to the next Learning Center.